by me, always still right by me. Make living lively, highly spoken of. My only love, the only one. You're my wifey. Make my life complete, sweet. But you know when the flip is street freak, but only when it comes to me. See, that's why you're my wifey. Make my life complete, sweet. But you know when the flip is street freak, but only when it comes to me. See, that's why you're my wifey. Guess I should've known, 'cause you had my mind blown. Oh, oh, from the jump, at the club on Bump like what? I had to have you, babe. Saw you outside, passenger side, 'cause I let my best friend drive. You was in line. That's when you caught my eyes, girl. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. You were so beautiful, beautiful. So critical, so critical. You look so crucial, girl. It's something about you, it's everything you are. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Still right by me, make living lively, highly spoken of. My only love, the only one. You're my wifey, make my life complete, sweet. You know when the flip is street free, only when it comes to me. That's why you're my wifey. You know you're sexy.
Half an hour one little walk to the shops. We're back. Now shower and get something to eat for breakfast. This is, by the way, my 12th day working out every day in a row. Let's hope it gets me somewhere. But I'm feeling good for it anyway, and it gets me up in the morning. Makes me feel productive.
Something about you, it's everything you are. Make living lively, high spoken my love. You're my wifey. Make my life complete, sweet. You know when the flip is straight, you free. But only when it comes to me. See, that's why you're my wifey. I can spend my life with. Now you know the keys to the bed, wedding bed with the chips. You're someone I feel alright with. Someone to have my kids, the one I get to be.
Take control of your shit. Don't be the type of rapper. Don't be a
I'm gonna get my food. It's time to get rid of this top lip. Now, I tell you, these are from Boots. It's like it comes with these things. They're like facial wax strips. Yes, cheeky. That, I don't know how long this has been sitting in my cupboard for, because good old pal Sal has done it for me the last few times. So, I hope they still work. You got to warm up the wax in your hands. Still feels very hard. Oh no. You know, that's not gonna work. I can go in the bin then. But I also have this Smooth Care Facial Removing Cream. Quick and easy to use. Facial removal cream. What's this one then? Finishing cream. Okay, cool. So it says, test your skin by conducting a patch test. I don't know, no, I can do that. I've done it already before. I open and apply the product evenly in vertical stripes over the skin using the back of the spatula provided for the product so all the hair is covered. Leave for 3 minutes. Okay. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. I'll tell you what, the stuff does smell. Okay. Go put the timer on 3 minutes and see you in a sec. Hopefully this works because I don't know how old this is as well. Don't stress using things that are old. Think guys, when you look. Ooh. Feel something happening. 3 minutes is up. Wait, let's read. 3 minutes, use a spatula to touch the small area so the hair comes away easily. The treatment is complete, if not leave for a further 2 minutes. Never leave for more than 5 minutes. Use a timer, do not guess the timer out. I did use a timer, using my phone. No. Not quite working, is it? But it is old. But that was all lumpy. So I'm going to try again. No, it said not to. But that product was lumpy. Right, I'm not going to leave it longer than it says. So I'm going to leave this for 2 minutes and see what happens. I mean, I don't really care. I'm just going to have to go out to just go and buy quick another one. Annoying. Stop it! Stop! Right. Moment of truth. Just have to feel this is not gonna work. It's annoying. This stuff reeks. Right, no. Don't work. Might keep this scraper thing. This is going in the bin. And I will go to Boots and buy another one. That should be a task for tomorrow. Maybe you can come with me. But it needs to go. And right now, it's porridge time. Right, porridge for moi. Eggs for him. I don't know, use a specific measure for oats. I get my bowl and I like fill it up halfway because it like doubles. So however much I think I want. I'm not gonna use that much. Porridge really filled me up, so that's good. Porridge in the pan. And add some milk. And just mix. Me do his taste. There's only one slice here. She's a multitasker. She's gonna do two. Oh, who's that? She's gonna do 2 breakfasts at the same time. Could you put that in the fridge, please? Rock it on in there. Let's just need to be that high, let's be honest. Sit and wait. tend to like my eggs overcooked. Ha! Ah! I got a feeling, ooh, ooh, that I'm still gonna be hungry. Takes me a long time to eat porridge because it's really hot and I can't handle things that are too hot. So I feel like I get fuller quicker. I mean, I realise I'm full sooner because it takes me longer to eat it. Does that make any sense? I feel like it didn't. Whatever. It's good for me. The right consistency. Oh wow, the gas turned off. How? Now what do we do? The black pepper and the egg. And you want the Asian twist, Bob? Deep fish sauce on the egg. Trust me. Right? Oh la la.
Soya?
Nah, just the fish. You want both?
Just a little bit of soya.
Well, it's in the big bottle, so do you want to do it? I'm gonna overspill it. Huh? Then you just get fish sauce. Right. Get it on. Oh, hot. Yeah, hot. Nice though. And then we watch some YouTube. That is my morning currently.